In this video, we're going to take a look at how to navigate the internet home of Calvary Lutheran Learning Center. We'll start by logging into the site by adding /wp-admin to the end of the URL, which will bring up the login page. You will enter the username and password that was created for you, then click Login, which will take you to the dashboard for your site. From here, I want to show you some of the various features which are currently in use or available to you on your site and can be found in the black column on the left side of your dashboard. We'll start with the WordPress update section of your dashboard. This is where you can view the status of updates to your site's theme, as well as any plugins currently running on your site. While you are able to manually update WordPress features from this page, just know that we are regularly doing so on behalf of all of our clients, so it is not necessary for you to do so. I just want to draw your attention to this since there is a notification here, but don't want you to feel like you have to handle that. Okay? The post section of your dashboard allows you to utilize a blog function on your site. While you're not currently doing so, just know that the option is there should you choose to use it in the future. Okay? The media library for your site is where you will find all of the images, audio or video files, and PDFs that have been uploaded to your site. Adding new media is as simple as clicking Add New, either here at the top of your screen or from this link on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Once you've arrived on the upload screen, you can either drag and drop your media file into the box or click Select Files to locate your media on your device. It is possible to upload more than one file at a time. So let's say you have a number of photos from an event, you can upload those all at one time from this screen. Okay. Back in the library, you'll see a list of all of the media files currently on your site. And clicking on a file will give you the opportunity to rename it, edit it, or even add captions to the file. Okay, just be sure that you click the update button to save any changes that you make. Up next, I want to introduce you to the Forms plugin. This plugin allows us to create forms for most any type of data collection on your site. While you don't currently have any active forms on your site, just know that the option is there should you choose to use one in the future. Forms are easy to both create and edit with fields that are customizable based on your needs. Okay. Next, we'll move to the Pages function of your dashboard. And this is where you can access and edit your home page, which is listed here at the bottom, as well as all of the internal pages on your site. So you can see all of the pages currently on your site here. Okay. So we'll start by taking a look at your home page. You'll see how each page is broken up into sections which include a header and a footer, which are consistent across every page that are on your site. Okay? Because they're consistent across every page, they're edited in a different part of the dashboard, which we're not going to look at today. Okay, so right now we're just looking at the other functions on your home page. Here you'll see a short code that I've highlighted here for a plugin called Slider Revolution. And this is where we created the banner at the top of your homepage. So anytime you see a short code like that, you know that you'll make edits using a plugin that's listed here on the left-hand side of your dashboard. So we're going to go to Slider Revolution. Okay. And here you'll see any sliders that are available on your site. And we're going to click on the Show Slides icon here, which will show all of the slides in your slider. From here, you can open and edit each slide. So right now you have 4 slides active in the banner on your homepage. Okay, so we're going to open this first slide here in the editor. Let's say we really like the layout of this slide and we want to duplicate it. Okay. From the slides menu here, you'll want to locate the slide that you want to duplicate, and then you'll click the duplicate icon, which is the third icon from the left. Okay. Okay, so now if we go back one screen to the overview page and then click show slides again, you'll see that we have a copy of the first slide in our slider, which we duplicated. Okay, let's say we want to change the background of this slide. Clicking on the slide options button here will take us to that option. We have background highlighted here, and then opening our media library, we can select an image already loaded on our site, or we can upload a new image and then click insert, which will add it to the slide. Okay, we can also click here to edit the text of our slide. And then, as always, don't forget to save your work. Now, going back one screen again, you can see that we have a new slide in our banner. We're going to unpublish that for now, so it's not live on our homepage, but that gives you an idea of how to create that slide, or multiple slides should you choose to do so. Okay, so we're going to go back to the dashboard now and head back to our homepage. Okay, back on your homepage, the welcome section, along with any other section that contains text or image functions, largely like a document in your favorite word processing software. Okay, anything within these sections can be edited to your liking. Okay, you can change the type of font or the size, you can add images, you can add hyperlinks like this here. All of that is able to happen in this section. Okay. Next, let's look at your homepage buttons. And again, you see a short code here, which indicates that we're going to be making edits to that using a plugin listed on the left-hand side of our screen. Okay, so we see our home buttons here, and you can see each of your home buttons listed right here. Okay, let's take a look at the Early Explorers button. Clicking on a button allows you to change the name. You can change the image associated with that button. You can also change the link that opens when a user clicks on that button. Okay. All right, those are the homepage buttons on your site. So those are just the basic steps for editing your homepage or any of the internal pages on your site, which work just the same as the homepage. Okay, if you have any questions or run into any issues, we're happy to offer additional support as needed.